subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. RedMagic, a gaming-focused subsidiary of Nubia, has announced a new pair of truly wireless earbuds called the Cyberpods. These gaming wireless earbuds feature Bluetooth 5.0, low latency modes, atmospheric lights and more. Along with this, RedMagic also announced a new Eclipse Black for the RedMagic 5S smartphone. The Cyberpods has a unique angular gamer wire design, which extends to the carrying case, and it is also very lightweight, each earbud weighing in about 5 grams. It utilizes Bluetooth 5.0, providing a strong, stable and more importantly, low latency connection, which is crucial for gaming. RedMagic claims that the latency will be as low as 39 ms. Another unique feature is the atmospheric light on each earbud, which reacts and pulses according to the game being played, and it has a total claimed battery life of 20 hours. There are touch controls to control the music playback and answer calls. RedMagic also announced a new color for the RedMagic 5's gaming smartphone called Eclipse Black. Other available colors for this smartphone are Sonic Silver and Pulse. The Cyberpods will be available from November 20th, for a price €49.90, approximately Rs. 4,400, and the RedMagic 5S Eclipse Black variant will exclusively be in the European market for €579, approximately Rs. 51,054. So friends, expected. If you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.